Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show how to secure CoinRabbit account. CoinRabbit is a crypto lending and management platform where you can borrow money using crypto like BTC, ETH as collateral, earn interest on your crypto stored and swap coins in one place, and you have a Bitcoin but need cash. Instead of selling it, you lock it and take. So first what you can do is simply open any of the web browser that you prefer. And after that, on the top there's an address bar, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. And once you get into this interface of the CoinRabbit, you need to go to this My Wallet in the top right corner here. And also make sure the password is strong enough. If it's weak, hacker can guess it easily. Example of weak password. And make sure your password is strong enough. Mix up symbols, numbers, and uppercase if you already have not so. And the second is you need to layer with most important two-factor authentication, which is the extra code from the phone or app after password. Even if hackers know your password, they still cannot enter without the 2FA code. CoinRabbit itself highlights that 2F adds extra protection beyond password and it blocks unauthorized access attempts. So over here, in order to do that, go to the setting on the left hand side and find this authenticator app for the 2FA and simply toggle on this icon here, and you need to download the app and you need to scan to download it over here, and you can select to this next to proceed it over here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to secure CoinRabbit account. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.